Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Run the following command to install the Python 3 and the Python package manager. Now use the pip to install a tool called Ngxtop. It's a real-time monitoring tool for Nginx logs. Now launch it with the next command. You can use the flag help if you need more information about this application. That's it. If you have any question, please leave in the comments.